Hello dear subscribers, we still have sale going on, so if anybody interested, 2 mini trucks been sold on sale so far, but we've got a lot more, some nice ones too. Some nice dump trucks, Subaru TT2, Subaru Sambar KS4 dump truck, nice one. They have so Jet dump truck, only 9,990. Mitsubishi minicab, this one is in perfect shape. That Isuzu Fargo has to be fixed. I ordered all the front, what do you call it, undercarriage, whatever you call it. And my favorite Suzuki, my daily drive. I haven't put my hands on that one yet. I mean, I replaced all the fluids, but needs to be cleaned and all that. Nice Nissan Elgrand for post office. It's on sale, 14,000 something. Suzuki Carry, 10,550. So if anybody wants anything, give me a call, 937-510-8059. Sam. A lot of mini trucks. A lot of mini trucks. Have a blessed life.